You have found the perfect freelancer and want to get started right away. Before you order a service from a freelancer, you need to add a payment method to your account. On Fiverr Pro, you can choose to top up your account with funds that other team members can use as a shared budget via wire transfer in USD, Euro, or GBP, or pay as you go via credit card or PayPal. In this short video, I'll guide you through the process. As an admin, you have access to key features like billing and payments, policies, account members, and business details. To add a payment method, select the Billing and Payments tab, go to Payment Methods, fill out the required details, and you're all set. Admins and billing managers can easily add deposits to their account balance by wire or ACH. The advantage of an account balance is that it serves as a shared budget for all team members. Just click on Deposit Funds and follow the steps. Choose PayPal or your preferred payment method. Enter the necessary details and save it for future transactions. Finally, when it comes to managing your finances, Fiverr Pro offers different policies, allowing you to customize purchasing and approval processes. Admins can set a policy that requires team members to get approval if the price of the freelance work exceeds the team budget. There you go. Now you have complete control over your freelance budget and spending, all in one place.